Come on, Dilly.
What's up, guys? So today is Sunday, and I'm not gonna make a super long video, but I'm gonna go over what I'm doing on Max 240Z. For the most part, we got it up and running, and now I am headed to install these lovely parts from skidbillies.com. You can get these parts too, and many more, and many like them. Just hop on over to the skidbillies.com website and check out the link and see what you might have, what you might want, search part numbers, whatever. Website's still a work in progress, but we've got all the stuff for Max clutch set up, and here we go. So, went ahead and installed the AN fittings on both the master and the slave. We've got the clutch line out, ready to go. So let's go ahead and start taking stuff off the car. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, lift up your access panel. I don't know what you really call it. From there, washer tank. It's going to be a bit of a tight fit. You can move it over
Same size.
here to access your slate cylinder. Now this one's looks good, but again, we can't always determine if it's good, bad, ugly, however you want to say it. It's now, I've already checked and I've already opened up the bleeder on the slave. It feels like it's froze up here, because I mean it shouldn't be froze up down there if you're opening the bleeder, but we'll go ahead and get all this taken care of. You can pop the cap off, go ahead and get all that nasty fluid out. You can use suction, you can do really whatever method you want to do. Mine is, for the time being, the tried and true napkin method. And while that's soaking all that up, I've got my super baddie DURATECH extension long reach swivel. I'll include
Gonna cost you a lot of money.
I'm going to include the link to this. It's a full set, and I've actually used this thing back at my shop in Florence, and I absolutely love it. For the next one, I've got my DURATECH Mini, which works great in places like this. And for the line wrench, I've got the DURATECH line wrench, which I have found great success with, especially if you ever go to break any of your stuff loose, if you want to reuse them. So I've had fantastic results out of this. And again, link's going to be in the description below, because once we break this line, we'll be ready to go ahead and take the clevis pin out. Well, if you can see it, it's kind of hard to see it. I got the little C-clip out. It's got kind of a pain to get. Yeah. Sorry for the terrible view.
3 hours later.
Well, follow this a little bit, and this thing is wallered plumb out. Plus, look at this archaic type of fastening. Just be gone with that. Be gone with that. So it's got the same pin diameter as the one that are on the 240 SXs and 300ZXs and all that. Plus, keep in mind this is some of the ones I have spare. I'm using the pin and cotter pin method, because that's garbage. That's just dirty pull, mister. So let's go ahead, and sorry for the bad visuals. It is not the greatest, but go ahead and get this mildly adjusted and get ready to put this new pin in. As it slides in there, And let's get it installed. Out with the trash. In with the not so trash. So I usually don't bolt this all in until I get the actual fork inside of the shift pedal itself. So let's go in the cabin and go check it out. So that was a lot more of a headache than it was worth, but mind the light. Well, there we go. Well, whatever. So
Eternity later.
the slave cylinder, as well as the master cylinder with an ISR clutch line for a 240SX. So I'm not going to close this all the way because I don't know, I don't really want to find out on the maiden voyage of Mac's 240Z that the hood latch is broke. But go back it in and out real quick and see how it goes. So everything looks to be doing good except for the oil pressure sensor. Amps are working. I've already checked and made sure that it is charging. We've got 13.9 volts. Fuel gauge, I just added 4 gallons, so I don't know if it's going to do anything. But tack doesn't work. But it's got a slight miss. I'll double check that here in a minute. But so it goes in gear. That's the exhaust rattling in the back. There's a little bit of a tire hitting the fender. I always forget they only have one mirror. Oh, I gotta stand on these things, which is not good because this has a booster on it. Made it back to the house in one piece. Oh man, that's a big old yellow banana. You can see that from, call that thing sunburst yellow. I have no idea what the color is. Matt could definitely shed some light on the color, but man, I can't wait to get that one going now. It's got me in my feels. And that concludes for the episode for the day. Ignore the graffiti. I think I might have to have Travis over here at some point and fix that. But yeah, that being said, the 240Z moves now, and I'm sure Mac's gonna be happy about that. But next episode on this, we're gonna actually probably go ahead and throw some plugs in it, and I've already threw some seafoam in it and some fresh 93, so we'll kind of, you know, slosh it around some more and go ahead and see if we can clear up the thing. It runs good, but I don't think it's up to 100%. But the good news is at least it moves on its own accord now. The brakes need some work. So we'll reach out to Mac and see what he wants to do on it. But until then, like, subscribe, share, do all that fun stuff. And y'all be safe, have some fun. I'm going to go hop on my new sim.